Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
All right, please note that the language and ideas presented on the show might not be suitable for everyone. If you're under 18, make sure your mom isn't around. If you're over 80, why is your mom around?
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
All right, we meet Rohan Joshi, comedian, artist, liftman, singer, dancer, explorer, and social activist who will change the face of modern India, hopefully after I die, though, because he's very revolutionary and too violent. On the show.
Why follow your auntie's advice when you can follow Cyrus Says on Facebook and Twitter to stay updated about the latest shows?
Okay, I got to talk about this once and for all, get off my chest. If you're going to a gym at 6:30 in the morning, don't lie down on one of those mats and interrupt other people. Okay, just stay at home. Do that at home. There's no need to get a mat, lie down, and move your legs and arms akimbo like they're a plane trying to take off. It doesn't work for anybody. If you're going at 6:30 in the morning, have a purpose, because you come in my way.
And that's what Cyrus Says.
All right, here on Cyrus Says, it's been almost 2 years and we haven't had a single comedian. But finally, we've got someone with supposedly the greatest talent India's ever produced. He's not come yet. He's not come yet.
So Kapil Sharma's not here yet.
Yeah,
so
Kapil Sharma said no.
Yeah.
Apparently, he's busy writing something for some other channel. The funny thing about guys like Kapil Sharma is they know where they are.
They know where
it's
they are.
It's a geography
yeah.
thing.
It's a very new thing for me.
Yeah.
To know where I am.
Absolutely. Let me introduce you to Rohan, unless you want to just keep talking, in which case we'll do it at the end.
Yeah, in that case, make a mystery, no?
It's a paradox then, so the intro is the end.
Yeah,
how do you
people
like
are just like, I'm guessing if Cyrus is talking to him, he must be like vaguely famous, but we have no idea who this person is.
No,
let's just keep
that's
going.
where you got it wrong. They actually say, who's Cyrus? They're trying to figure it out from that way. It's another generation, by the way.
That's true.
I want to begin with your shirt. It says L, L, O, L. And keep in mind, I got 51 in Hindi.
Correct.
Out of 200.
Of yes.
Come on, LOL.
Yeah, so it's actually LOL. It's
does it
actually LOL, as in laugh out loud, but in Hindi. It's just LOL.
Superb.
Yeah,
superb.
it's a typical hipster appropriation. No?
And
You
it's
take
so
a simple
poetic
English word and you put it in Hindi and suddenly वो cool हो जाता है.
Exactly.
It's
And in
that,
both
right?
ways, it's the same.
Yeah.
So it's almost like Urdu.
It's a palindrome.
I can read it both ways and
You
it's the
can,
same.
Yeah, it's the same. It's a palindrome.
So it's like 69, but on your shirt.
Exactly, on
there
your
you
shirt.
go.
Yeah, exactly.
God,
So way
we're
less
funny.
messy than a normal 69.
Funny.
Yeah,
Rohan
exactly.
Joshi.
There we go. 3 minutes in, we already made our first 69 joke.
4 minutes, we can cut to a break and not come back.
Totally. Just never
good
come
comedians.
back. It's fine.
Rohan, I'm going to listen. Let's set it up.
Yes.
For those who don't know you, you are part of the founding member of one of India's greatest groups. And that includes BJP, Congress, the entire left movement, and then you guys, AIB.
Yes, that's the exact
All
order.
India
Yeah,
Bakchod.
that's the exact order.
Before we get into what Bakchod actually means,
Yes.
which is 40 minutes of the show.
Of course it is.
Just quickly to say, it's Guru Simran Khamba, Tanmay Bhatt, who's unfortunately attacked for reasons beyond his control for lampooning people.
Yes.
That's what he does.
Is that, I mean, that's what we all do, right?
Yeah,
we lampoon people, right?
His
Comedians,
mom is a
that's our
teacher.
job.
Shouldn't he be a scientist or something? What a letdown.
Well, I mean, my mom is a lawyer, so
you need that. You need that.
I need that, right?
You must be the most popular member of the group.
I am.
Hello, where's mom today?
Yeah, just literally.
Just did a stand-up show at Prithvi.
Yeah.
It's come to a point where you make a phone call, you need legal representation.
Yeah,
It's
for
scary.
everything.
All right. So, Rohan, Ashish Shakya, how can I forget him?
Of course.
He used to
How can you
work with
forget
us,
Ashish
yeah.
Shakya? You worked with him for years.
Work is not the right word.
I mean,
whatever.
well, yeah,
Sweet guy. Another guy was always upset. He was not aggressively upset, but everything bothered him.
That's how you become a
Abhish
comedian,
Matthew and Kanis are also part of the group?
So Abhish Matthew and Kanis are not part of the group because it's like they're almost too cool to be part of the group. Let me explain why. It's like they're too cool to be part of the group. So it's like they come hang out with the group. Like, you know how it's like Jay-Z,
so is it like the
Timbaland, like because Timbaland is too cool to like
I don't
be part
understand
of
those
Jay-Z.
people and Western culture.
Just like some of your viewers will understand this
As a member of the
analogy.
right-wing party, I must tell you honestly, is it a bit like Congress and Youth Congress?
It's a bit like...
With you guys being Youth
it's
Congress?
Okay, so to go with your sort of political allegiances.
There you
as
go,
we
metaphors
know,
in
Cyrus,
political...
one of the founding members of the RSS.
I am the founding member. I had 3 S's.
Yes,
so, it included my S meant shave. And that was a big issue. And then they said, no way.
Then just not allowed.
Yeah. You remember now we'll be sharing your mother.
Yes.
And I don't mean this in a bad way.
No, that's
yes,
fine. That's
go.
absolutely fine. Where do you think the shorts came from?
Cyrus.
I don't know. Back
but
from the gym one day and he's like, we should just go to work like this.
Listen, the amount of weight you've lost, we can wear one pair between us.
That's a great idea. Let's do it. Let's do that anyway.
Back to you.
Yes, back to you. I feel like I've lost my train of thought.
Yes. Before you anointed me the successor.
So yes, with Kanis Surka and Abhish Matthew, what happens is, it's like, you know how like Jayalalitha and the AIDMK want to sort of, they're like, we'll be your partner, but we won't like sort of enter your party.
Right.
So it's like that. So Abhi's like that. I'll lend my coolness to you once in a way.
Outside.
But from outside.
He doesn't cross the line of control.
He doesn't cross. Like bahar se I'll
he's
lend.
A coward
like,
basically, this Abhish
he's actually very like, my benevolence shines upon you from afar. I don't need to be in your group.
And he's doing the right thing, being a great human being.
He is, exactly.
You know, he was, Forbes made him the #1 comedian in India, ranked him #1.
Really?
Yeah, his uncle owns the paper. But the point is, he's really good.
He is, that's true.
Kanish Surka,
yes.
15 years in India and now can speak, 3 words of Hindi.
Yes.
So she is a testament to what we can do.
Which, as Cyrus, as somebody who lives in South Bombay, is a hard achievement.
Huge.
Right?
And let me tell you, I credit this to Western civilization, which we love, and we hope this continues, this trend. Now, let's get back to Rohan. It's your life. Rohan, no, jokes about you. We went to Kambala Hill. He's a typical South Bombay boy.
Yes.
Malba Hill, Kambala Hill School, Jain College. BMM, I forgot what is BMM?
Is Bachelor of Mass Media, which is basically...
Which means you're much younger than me, because when I was in college, there was no mass media.
It didn't exist, correct.
It always sounds like a good degree.
So BMM is the degree that you do when you really can't figure out which degree you want to do.
That was called arts, brother. That's where I went.
So basically BMM
so
is
a cooler
arts
version of us.
For better percentage.
There you go.
Basically arts with slightly better
At least
percentage.
at a cocktail party, the Joshis can talk and say, "Mera beta BMM karta hai."
Yeah,
but
exactly.
Mine, they had to say literature. It's difficult. Yeah. He's going to be teacher. We're so proud. Yeah. Then you went into engineering?
Yeah. So this was the great big detour in my life.
Yuck.
Like you said, very typical life, right?
Ooh.
And you know how to do an Indian kid. You start off like school mein 80% mila, so you have to take science.
Were you a good student?
Like I was a good student. I was a very good student.
You're hurting me now. You're
look,
breaking the comedian code. Everybody else is a failure.
But I'm coming to my failure.
Yeah.
I'm coming to my failure. I was a good student.
That's a perfect failure where you set yourself up. I want failures which really happened.
But no, I set myself up really well though.
Like poor erections.
Because see, here's the thing. I wanted to be a comedian, right? And now the problem
But when you were in school?
Yeah, like when I was in school only.
But there was no comedian thing to do.
But see, I want to be path breaking.
Oh, you had an idea about changing the world.
I want to change the world.
So you're like Genghis Khan but with no weapons.
Yeah, exactly. And with better jokes.
Yeah.
Like,
he was funny.
He was, but I'm funnier.
Yeah, he massacred people and told them stand up at the same time.
That's what you say when you do a good set.
That's what I do the massacring, you do the set.
I killed. So what happened was when I was like, look, I want to be a comedian, but then you read all these stories about how comedians, they grew up with pain and they grew up with torture.
And suicidal rate is second after the police.
And all of that, right?
Who are also funny.
Exactly. Who are hilarious. They're the funniest.
They are.
Love you, police, just clarifying.
No, not Indian police.
Is
Indian
favorite.
police is great. We're talking about general police.
Yeah, in general.
And that stupid band, which is no more.
And
now, back to you again. Don't digress so much. If we both digress,
this is all on me. I know. It will just be 40 minutes of just going around
the topic. It's like the worst tourist guide ever, And on the way to Taj Mahal, I saw a lady in Baikala with a short skirt. Let's go.
I did more about this lady.
I must tell you. That's my mother. Show some respect.
Okay, sorry.
You still want to go?
Sorry. Yes.
Taj Mahal.
I meant Mrs. Short Skirt, of course.
So
I grew up, like you said, in South Bombay. Good student, lots of friends. I was like, I have no pain in my life. Like, how am I going to become a comedian?
Dad? What was the family business?
There's no family business. Dad was also a lawyer. So parents also like, please do whatever you want in your life. So
double lawyer family.
Yeah, I come from technically a lawyer family.
You're like the Jethmalanis.
Yeah.
Except that they're really old.
Yeah. Just not as much money.
Of course you have enough money, Rohan Joshi. We all saw how you entered the studio with 5 security guards.
Yes.
And don't tell me those are AIB guys.
That's the 5 security guards that I allowed upstairs. 5 downstairs that are watching the entry.
That was Tanmay alone.
That was... You know what? At some point, we'll move beyond the fat jokes, right? Like at some point, it's
he's
part
of my tribe. It's okay. You're allowed to. It's like how you can make N jokes when you're an N.
Fair enough.
And by N I mean South African for the beginning of your name.
Yes.
And Tebe.
Of course, yes.
Keep going.
Yes.
We mustn't digress.
So I was like, I need some pain in my life, which is why I said, let me do engineering. Let me see how terrible it is, and then let me drop out of engineering.
You want to destroy your social chances.
I need to destroy my soul, right? To be a good comedian, the soul must be destroyed.
Fair enough. Start from zero.
So that's how engineering happened. And about a year into engineering, I was like doing some circuitry, and I was like,
but where?
KJ Somaya College of Engineering, Vidya Vihar.
We have to take an awkward pause. This is the funniest thing you said so far.
Yes, I agree. Because I always say the whole name for effect.
How can you say that?
KJ Somaya College
That's
of
even
Engineering,
worse than saying my son comedian.
Yeah, KJ Somaya College of Engineering, Vidya Vihar.
Oh, brother, you sold out.
Listen, don't mess around, okay? The Dalai Lama has been to my college.
By mistake?
I know.
Traffic jam?
I was confused as well. Because a friend of mine was like, Dalai Lama is coming to college today. And I'm like, bro, kitna fook raha hai tu? Tu pagal hai kya? And then 2 hours later, the freaking Dalai Lama walks into college.
In costume?
I'm like, in costume. He's always in character.
He's an engineer?
He's an engineer.
Oops.
He's always in character.
That.
Yeah. Structural engineering.
You meet him?
Yeah. He's a nice guy.
Did he feel your vibe?
He did.
You
Totally.
do jokes?
I mean, that's what you want to call it.
Remember 3 llamas go to a bar and...
Yeah, it's just sort of like, you can't, like, 3...
You better not.
Like, yeah.
Come on, he's a nice guy. Let's not kick him around. Yeah, let's go back to you.
I can't apologize to another religious community.
You've done about 3, no?
Yeah,
you know how many there are here in India?
4. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So that'll become my full-time occupation.
Just put sorry instead of laugh out loud on your damn shirt.
Yeah, no,
or put sorry
like,
in your pant. So that way you can get some of your own back. You just drop your pants every time they're angry with you.
That's it. I'm sorry.
Okay, guys. Boom.
Who's sorry now?
Yeah.
Who's sorry now?
There you go.
So that's why I did engineering. About a year and I realized not for me.
What was the boy-girl ratio?
Pretty terrible. Pretty terrible.
This all helps the comedic soul.
Oh yeah, completely.
Regenerate.
The boy-girl ratio in comedy is same as boy-girl ratio in engineering.
So like how many? What, like 10% girls?
Like, yeah, I'd say that.
90% men 90% and the odd Kunal.
Yeah. There's
Vijay. Okay,
that's about it. That's the ratio. It needs to change. It is changing. But
so have more children, young comedian.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
And this time not with Shakya.
Like, I mean, I'm sure there's children that I don't know about, but.
No, that's not so funny.
It's just, kids, if this voice sounds
that's
familiar
a stand-up
to you,
of another kind, my friend.
If this voice sounds familiar to you, just reach out, give me a call.
They all have the same shirts with sorry on them.
Lol.
My dad says sorry.
My dad says sorry and he also says lol.
Okay, let's move on to your next point, which is you left college, you quit it in the middle.
Yes, I quit it in the middle.
And then you go to Asian College of Journalism?
After I finished BMM, I got my diploma, my postgraduate diploma in broadcast journalism. I had great thoughts. मैं journalist बनूंगा, देश बदलूंगा.
Oh, so you're going to be the next Rajdeep Sardesai.
I was going to be the next
Arnab
Rajdeep
Goswami.
Yeah.
One of them being the finest comedian in India.
Yes, exactly. I also did work for Arnab Goswami, but that came later.
Yeah, you did.
I did.
The car thing.
I did. I worked with CNBC for a bit.
Asian College, Asian College of Journalism in Chennai.
In Chennai,
So now you speak Tamil because it's 2 years.
Yes, so actually I do speak Tamil.
Come on,
it was 1 year, I do speak Tamil.
It says 2 years in the biography.
Your research is shit. It's 1 year. It was a 1 year course.
My daughter's only 9. You know, she does what she
like
can.
2 years.
If we had a research team, we wouldn't use her. Yeah.
There we go. Right. This is how you teach her literacy.
It's a small family business.
Go Google.
Don't forget, some of the biggest families' businesses are Indian. Don't forget that.
And Parsi.
Well,
and Parsi,
yeah.
You're like cottage industry.
I was thinking
Tata.
of political parties.
Like you're like cottage industry Tata, like just South Bombay Tata.
Parsis, let me explain to you, are one family.
That's true.
That's all that's left.
That's pretty
one
much
big
what
family.
It is. That's
right?
true. That's true.
Okay, so Tamil, please. Or Tamil.
So Tamil place. So yeah, the Tamil that I know is.
How would you pick up a girl?
Kadavu Mudagam. Now let me explain what that means.
Please
and
do.
the only reason I know it is because it means please close the door, because that is a sentence my lift used to say.
Every time you went up. Yeah.
It used to say, please close the door. Deva Sayija Kadavu Mudagam. And it's the only sentence in Tamil that I heard repeated so many times that I just picked it up.
But when you went out to the discos in Chennai, you never chatted up girls.
No,
what
you
did
pick
say?
up a girl, what's the next thing you need to say?
Please close the door. There you go. Can we hear it again?
Deva Sayija Kadavu Mudagam. There we go.
There we go. I'm getting horny.
Yeah, see, there we go. In that case, Cyrus, Deva Sayija Kadavu Mudagam. There we go.
Okay, so Chennai, you learned journalism. Your idea now is to get into television, is it?
My idea was to get into television in life, but
join CNBC on the desk. What does that mean?
I did join CNBC on the desk. It is so CNBC, great
was
company.
it an audition?
But
better lie on the desk.
I've done auditions that were sort of less frustrating than my job. The CNBC, beautiful company, really great people. Let me clarify by saying that. But the actual job was essentially sitting at the news desk and just copy. You know the tickers that run underneath and graphics that run underneath.
Yeah.
So there was a team of economic analysts that used to sit behind me,
right?
And I would just get emails from them all day, and my job was to just copy paste information from that email into graphic templates.
So when it says biopharma down 5 points and the next thing is please close the door,
yeah,
it was you.
That was me. That was totally me.
Yeah.
And the other thing that I did at CNBC.
But that's just the beginning bit. They would have promoted you to something else, right?
Yeah, so what happened that's the thing. I didn't actually want to be in front of the camera at that point.
You just want to fall out of word.
I was all like idealistic and shit. No? I will bring the Naxalites and the Maoists.
But your entire training consisted of one line in Tamil saying, please close the door.
Which is exactly what you say before a good negotiation starts.
Damn you.
Like I felt like
what
I was
cocky,
ready
arrogant
to do
bitch.
this. Hey man, when you got natural charm, all you need is Deva Sayija Kadavu Mudagam.
Fair enough. Stop saying it.
Why? So they did. So I remember there was a point at which they did offer to not promote me, but they said, if you're not happy with this, we can give you one of our most exciting sectors. And I said, which one? And they said real estate. And I was like, whoa, no, you'd let me cover flat prices? that this is it. This is all I ever wanted to do with my entire life is just sit there and watch
We could end the
Bombay's property
interview.
prices.
We could end the interview right here.
Yeah, right here.
Happy
right?
ending,
It's
Mumbai
just
style.
How much
with no
more
touching.
that, like you can't get a flat, but you can watch the prices. Like that's the joy of Mumbai.
Listen, you were living in Malba Hill, so
Yes,
don't
this is
spit
where-
on people.
Yeah. No, well, technically, my family was
You're
living
doing
in
Amitabh
Malba
Bachchan
Hill.
on
I
me.
was living with my family.
No, brother, you're trying to create a middle class culture which wasn't there. You were rich.
That's true. I was rich. I was comparatively rich.
Then
Total
the horse
1%er.
racing started, the gambling, and,
And
these
then
things
after that, it was
happened.
all downhill.
Yeah.
You know,
It's not downhill.
It's just
After the legal
hill is
fees are paid
downhill.
here.
Like,
Okay,
but, yeah.
CNBC.
Yes.
So you couldn't bear the work after some
I
time.
couldn't. Beyond the point, I was just like,
Where's the comedy at the
see
moment? Is there
point.
any comedy? Had it started this whole wave
No,
of...
it had not. No, there was no real comedy happening then. Then I moved to Times Now.
And that's where the comedy
that's where
was.
the comedy started.
You met the grandfather, the man who invented comedy.
Actually, immediately after CNBC, I had the best job I've ever had in my life.
Which was what?
Which was I used to write for Top Gear magazine.
Correct.
And my job was just
With
to
Joel,
literally-
what's Joel's surname?
Joel Pereira.
Joel Pereira,
With Joel
correct.
Pereira and with a bunch of other great guys. And my job was basically flying around the world driving cars.
But you like cars.
I love cars.
So you could have been a driver.
I could have been a driver. I
Better
feel like
than
I
real
would have
estate.
enjoyed that.
Yeah.
Like in the sense, they take a lot of naps.
So did you get a good car to drive? Did you remember?
I did. I because I was at Top Gear when Tata took over Jaguar Land Rover.
Right.
So there was one weekend where literally they were like, here, fly to the UK, drive a Range Rover and drive a Jag XKR for 3 days
So
around
Jeremy
the UK.
Clarkson's Top Gear, you were on that or you were on Joel Pereira's?
I was on Joel Pereira's Top Gear.
Which
I was
is
not. I
not
never
exactly-
met Jeremy Clarkson.
Damn.
It's the same Top Gear,
Yeah.
but it's just that ours
Different
was the
people.
AC version.
And that
Yeah.
doesn't make any difference.
Yeah, it makes no difference.
For me, as long as it's
At
got Top
all.
Gear, I'm in. Can you say it
Exactly.
in Tamil for me? One more time.
Daiva Saija Gear.
Something like that.
There, I'm
Please
sure it's accurate.
Shut your gear.
I'm certain that that's accurate.
Oh. So then you started doing this?
Then I started doing this.
car
and
show.
Then, first Top Gear, the magazine. Then I moved to
This
the
is the
car show on
90s?
Times Now.
Mid-90s?
This is mid-80s, roughly.
Mid-80s, all
Yeah,
right.
this is the
okay.
mid-80s.
About
roughly.
75, 76, somewhere.
Yeah, where it was basically
Just
just
after
me,
Bangladesh.
Just me reviewing a Fiat every week.
There you
the
go.
Same
But different
Premier
colours.
Padmani
Different
every
colours.
week. Yeah, different
And
colours.
You
right?
mentioned that a lot.
Yeah.
And then you say, please
completely.
close the door because people fall out of the car.
And even when you do
Especially
the
in
door, still
south.
flies open.
Yeah,
because Premier
exactly.
Padmani, right?
You go over a pothole, boom, you lose
So
an
they're like,
arm.
do you ever, it's a philosophical question,
Yeah.
do you ever really close the door of a Premier Padmani?
I wouldn't.
Or you
I
wouldn't.
feel it's against the culture.
It's
India,
wrong.
if you look at houses, we keep the doors open so all the family members
exactly.
can come
and
in
back
and
then
out.
we used to keep the door open because no AC.
Yeah.
So
You've changed my thinking, young man.
I have. That's what my point of this interview was. I was like, come here, I need to radicalize Cyrus.
Why? Oh, it says you almost killed Joel Pereira. What is that story?
I did almost kill Joel Pereira. We
While
were
driving.
driving a particularly exciting car,
Yeah.
and I decided it'd be really great if we got a shot where I did like one drift with the car. Now, let me bear in mind, in my head, I'm thinking Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift, but we
Yeah.
are shooting in Vashi.
Right.
So, it's nowhere near as glamorous. So,
Yeah.
I go do this skid on a hill and I lose control of the car. So, car continues to skid for about 10 seconds after it should have stopped skidding.
Where's Joel?
And Joel's standing there taking the shot.
Oh, he's holding
so
the
I'm
cam.
skidding into camera, basically.
Oh, boy.
And he's standing there as the producer.
So is that why Joel looks like he looks now?
Yeah, because he did about 10 seconds of spot jogging.
Oops.
Then it's like sort of leapt into a ditch.
And then that white
to
liquid that
save
falls all
himself.
over the place.
And
Oh,
then, yes,
God,
of course.
no.
Yes.
Yeah. But those were good times.
Those were very
So you were
good
happy
times.
there.
I was very
I just want to
happy
know
there.
when the birth of the comic thing happened.
So the birth of the comic thing happened very, very randomly around the time that I was at Times Now. Veer Das, you know Veer, of course, great comedian.
Veer Das, yes,
yeah,
of course.
great comedian.
The father of...
He's like the fountainhead point of like a lot of Indian live comedy.
He's
in the
Ayn
sense
Rand?
that he is Ayn Rand.
Let's call him Ayn Rand.
Let's call him Ayn
Not
Rand.
to be bitchy, but just because we like it.
All right.
And close the door.
Veer, you are now Ayn Rand. If
Yeah.
you're listening to this, you are now Ayn Rand. When I say Ayn Rand, I'm talking about you.
Yeah.
So Ayn Rand used to do this open mic called Amateur Nights.
Right.
And it
Where?
just at Blue Frog.
So Blue Frog is the birth of Mumbai comedy,
Blue
is
Frog
it?
actually is the birth of Mumbai comedy in a really weird way.
Although the
because
music was funnier, I got to tell
Exactly,
you.
I agree.
sat through one of those jazz things and I was like, what the hell is happening?
It's amazing, right?
I laughed my head
It's
off.
Just, that's the ultimate in riffing.
Yeah. I couldn't tell if it was a trumpet or just his normal orifice.
Yeah,
Go
normal
on.
orifice,
It
obviously.
was, of course.
Yeah.
I blew it myself.
Damn right.
After 4 drinks, I blow anything.
Daiva Saija Kadavu Mudaga.
I'm shutting it now, brother. So Veer Das started this, which
Yeah,
was not
so he
taken seriously in the sense of career.
It was
You
not.
just
It
come
was
and hang
just the
around.
sort of thing that you sort of went, you tried it, and I just went up and I did 2 minutes once randomly.
So there's no AIB and all that. No, this is just
nothing.
you.
There's it's just me at this point. All of us individually did these
Without
open
writing
mics.
a bit, you just went
I
up
wrote
and did
I wrote
improv.
like 2 minutes. I wrote 2 minutes of material. And I was like 2 minutes. I mean, 2 minutes not much. How are people going to know who I am in 2 minutes? You know, and then.
Ask the ladies. A
First
minute
of all,
more than me.
1 minute, yeah, exactly. First of all, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Second of all, I was like, 2 minutes is not enough. Like, I'll barely say 4 sentences in 2 minutes, nothing. Then.
What was the house like? Was it like a full house?
Full house.
So you're
Because
getting a
we
lot
used
of...
to draw a good crowd and used to really promote it. And so in that sense, it was like as because like the average open mic can be a pretty tawdry experience.
I can
like, with
imagine.
like 12 people present and this. But here
and
with
two
the
don't
promise
speak
of,
English but still trying.
Yeah,
and
others-
he said that go away.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's that.
Funny from that angle.
Very,
yeah.
very funny. In a very cute and endearing, like
Keep
sort
the
of
door
Pakir
open for
Panchali.
those-
Yeah. But this was like proper 300 people in the house. Veer was headlining, so big crowd, all of that. I was like, 2 minutes is nothing. Then this person went up before me and bombed for 2 minutes. And the weird thing
And
is...
then the crowd gets really bitchy, right?
No, the thing is, because it's an open mic, they've been told to be really nice. But when somebody's talking for 2 minutes and nobody laughs, you are suddenly very aware of how long 2 minutes can
Now
be.
you know what my marriage is like.
Yeah,
Huh?
exactly. Yeah,
From my
exactly
wife's
like
side, of
that.
course.
Yeah, exactly. I was
Because
just
she's
gonna
the
say-
funny one.
So, I went up and just...
Who's the
that-
guy? Sorry, who's the guy who bombed? Anyone we know?
No, actually, no. Nobody.
So he
no,
gave up
this is,
comedy.
somebody who gave
and
up.
then he runs times now? The same?
And then, no.
That's the other
That guy is like open mic winner. The guy who runs times now.
He doesn't
is like
allow the
open
second
mic
guy to
winner.
come up.
Yeah, that's
It's,
it.
I'll be
The
doing 2
open
minutes
mic-
for 40 minutes.
Like,
and
yeah, your next act
Yes.
is me.
I'll be talking to myself.
Followed by me. So, yeah, but I went up there and I was really nervous because the person had bombed. But I went up and first joke that I did.
Do you remember the first
killed.
joke you did?
I actually... I was like, what was the first joke that I did?
Vaguely. Do you remember the topic?
Yes, it had something to do with, Indian people not liking to talk about sex. It was a joke about how Indian people don't like talking about sex, and I was like, I'm just very surprised at the fact that Indian people don't like to talk about sex because we gave the world the definitive book about sex, which you've all heard about. It's called Savita Bhabi. So that is the joke that really got everybody laughing. And the first time just hearing 300 people laugh, I was like, yehi karne ka hai life mein. That instant validation, like my sad need to be liked by people was fulfilled.
I
such a
had that when I was
spectacular way.
7. When at a wedding, my parents would read out my report card. They all just have a good time.
And then there would be tears.
I didn't feel what you felt.
You
but,
didn't, yeah.
But I felt like Savita Bhabi.
Ah, that's cool.
In a sense.
That's
I felt.
cool. I
What does
feel like
Salman
if
say? How does Salman put it? Poet Salman?
Poet Salman, how does he put it? What is
I felt.
Poet Salman. Poet Salman's choice of words leaves
Stay
a lot
where
to
you
be
are.
desired.
Your mom's overworked anyway.
Yeah,
Let's
exactly.
move on.
Let's move on.
Okay, we'll take a quick break. We'll come back. We want to talk about your entire career now, the second half.
Okay,
but this
so
was
all
the birth.
6 days of it.
There you go.
Like the 6
days is
of
10
my
minutes,
career.
as
Yeah,
I
not
tell
bad.
my wife every single time. Stay where you are,
I
Mr.
feel
Rope.
it's the theme you return to. Like this like lack of sexual prowess is a running
Look at
theme
my
in your
face.
life.
Does it look like a face that has
Look at
sex?
your tribe. Does it look like a tribe
don't
that
know.
has sex?
They're willing to sponsor sex in my tribe and we still don't get
I
laid.
know.
How low is that?
There are advertisements.
Everywhere. Pick and choose. Come here. Door is open. How do you door is open?
Like you come home and the wife's forehead just
Can you do Tamil door is open with a Parsi accent?
Daiva Saija Kadavu open. I'm
All
just
right.
going to assume.
We'll take a break and then come back.
Every week comes a show where 3 people come together to tell you about stuff they like. A movie, a TV show, a book, and other stuff. Tune in every Monday on iTunes, Audio Boom, the IVM Podcast app, to IVM Likes. Batman approves this message. Thank you, Batman.
All right, with Mr. Rohan Joshi, he would walk around sporting his mom's sunglasses as a young child. Fact. True? And
Fact.
nothing else.
And nothing else.
And you
just
were
the
17 at the
sunglasses.
time.
And I was 17 at the time. I felt like it
Unbelievable.
would do good things for my career.
But why would you wear the glasses on your... Okay,
Yeah,
whatever.
it's just...
Just things you
just be
did.
interesting.
So these are all stories that are told by others about you. When you were 8 years old, you went to Panchvati, the food place.
Yes, this is the
With
proudest
the
moment of my life.
family. Okay, you tell us the story.
Yeah, so proudest moment of my life is I was about 8 or 9 years old and we went to, you know what thali joints are like, right? Where they
I
have...
don't really. I'm Parsi.
You don't? Oh,
we see
man.
it from outside.
Oh, you don't know what you're
Got
missing.
silver and all that, right?
The thali is the ultimate restaurant experience, all right, where you pay a fixed price and still somehow people want to feed you more. It makes no sense economically, but it works. So the way thali restaurants work is if you're a child, you pay child rate, half rate thali, because the assumption
What
is
if
child
you're
will eat less.
Amir Khan, for example?
So then you pay triple rate.
Okay.
Right? If you're Amir Khan, you pay triple rate. But if you're
Okay.
child rate, yeah. Just have you seen him bulk up for dangal?
Oh, no, I don't
That
watch
is
it.
not a one thali
Hindi
job.
films, thalis. Who are you talking to?
That's true.
We
I'm
discuss
so
my
sorry.
tribe.
I'm so
you know
sorry.
the
I'm
rules.
so sorry. That stuff doesn't make it to Malabar, does it?
Of course not.
Like the Hindi language has not yet.
It reached up to Walkeshwar and we kicked
And
it
then
out.
we stopped it right there, like, please,
we got
stop
two
here.
watchmen
Enough,
there,
yeah.
both from Britain.
Yeah.
Sir, you were saying.
Yeah. What was I
I'm going to
saying?
stop interrupting your freaking
Yeah,
stories.
what was I saying? Yeah.
No,
So
I'm
we
looking.
went to
8,
Panchavati
8.
and I ate so much that the manager took my dad aside and said that...
Were you a fat kid?
I was kind of. Like, not like a fat kid, but I wasn't like a skinny kid.
Okay.
I ate a lot. And now, as you can see, like I've cultivated this fine.
So what did the
belly.
manager do?
So the manager took my dad aside and said that, sir, please don't be offended, but we are going to have to charge him full rate thali.
Oh, brother.
And it
That's
says, I don't think this is an unprecedented move in this restaurant's history. And
God.
and the thing that I appreciate about that day the most is that, and this is why I love my parents, is the look of pride on my father's face. And not
Because
like
it's like,
sadness
it's
or
like in many
whatever.
cultures, the boy becomes a man. They
Yeah,
kill a
this
lion.
was that. Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
but
this was literally
you
that.
did your
It was
thing.
like, mera sher.
Yeah.
Ye de, kitna
He ate
khaya.
4 puris. Did you see
literally.
him? With tail.
Hang on. I'm not lying here. Not making this up. 26 chapatis.
Rubbish.
26
With oil.
chapatis with oil.
And ghee.
26.
You don't look like a 26 chapati guy from any
I
angle.
am totally. I was a total
All in the
26
mouth?
chapati person. All in the mouth.
Jeez. Wow.
Yeah.
Huge.
The papad is
How
for
do
the
you know
other
you count your
orifices, no?
chapatis? Are you all feeling embarrassed?
Yeah.
Beta ka kitna ho gaya?
So my mum kind of did count the chapatis beyond a point because she was just sort of like, I think.
So what do you eat? What, at home would you eat like this? Or this was your once in
I
a
would eat like this at home. I would. When I was a kid, I ate like family of 4. The like cook would have to make like 20 chapatis because I was like a 15 chapati guy. Everybody else was 1 chapati. It was wrong on many levels. And kids, if you're watching, do not try this at home.
Well, they're not watching, but if they're
but if
watching,
you're listening, kids, if
you know
you're
what, they need
listening,
help.
yeah, kids, if you're listening, first of all, you're too young to be listening to podcasts. Please enjoy.
is that so?
Shin-chan.
I thought they could.
Like,
I thought I'm
no,
like the bottom of the
use
barrel. They
Shin-chan.
can listen to my podcast. We don't use.
Kids, if
We
you're
never say
listening
on my
podcast,
show. You know
then-
that. Never.
Never.
Nobody says.
Never say on the show.
I refuse to
That's
say.
impressive. You should never say.
I
on the
think
show.
kids should learn the word till they're at
I
least
agree.
7 or 8.
I agree. I feel like FUCK is the sort of word
Yeah.
you learn much later.
Oh, is that how you spell it?
In life, yeah.
Jesus, the t-shirts are all over the place with it, man.
Unless you're Maharashtrian, in which case it's just phak.
And Bengali?
Just, in Bengal, pork.
That's what I
That-
banned in folk cultures.
Yeah, exactly.
Oops.
There we go. Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah,
All
there
right.
you
So
go.
no the show. This
No on the show.
last reminder.
Only
Yeah, close the freaking door, mate.
Daiva Saija Kadavu.
Oh, there's one more nice story. At 6, you put up. You put up a magic. It's very gay, and
It's
no
fine.
disrespect,
It's-
bro.
it's
No
absolutely
disrespect.
cool. It's
I
totally
love gay
cool.
people. Let me just say that, whether it sounds insincere.
I
but
did put up a magic show. I did put up a magic show when I was 6 years old, 7 years
No,
old.
you got a cousin to be the helper. I
Yes.
mean, that's the gay one.
Yeah,
What is
I
that
got
guy
cousin
doing?
to be
with
the
his-
helper.
What is he doing?
Not a guy. Actually, I was thinking typical like magician.
Oh,
assistant
the
must be
fancy
a
girl coming and doing the thing and all that.
exactly. So, I was spending a summer vacation in Pune at my grandmother's place,
Yeah.
and I think she just got to a point where she just got sick of dealing with me. So she took me to this
And there was no
shop.
chapatis left in Pune.
Yeah, no chapatis left in Pune at
Yeah.
all.
Huh.
So she took me to this magic store. I didn't even know it existed, and it's just this guy selling like ropes that would stand. Now, do not interrupt me. Ropes that would stand, card tricks, all of that
6.
stuff. You know those stupid things that where the flowers come out of the
They're the most crappy things.
rubbish. Complete rubbish.
Who sells that? Yeah.
But I was so fascinated that I bought a bunch of that stuff and then practiced. I legit practiced for about 5 days, and then on my grandmother's terrace, I threw a magic show. And my family, I have to say, was very indulgent of me, and they all showed up.
Yeah, but you were the first magician in the history of magic to disappear.
Yeah,
Suddenly no one could find him.
Yeah, I just did my 4 magic tricks, and then I was like,
So there's a performer in you even at that point.
there was, even
That's
at that
the story.
point, there was
It was a crappy
performer in me.
performance,
It was
but
a
you've come a
terrible
long way.
performer. I have. I mean, not that long. If you watch,
Yeah, well,
the
and
show.
your magic tricks are very different
That's
now.
true. They're very, very different.
All right, so let's quickly, we've always used the whole, but it's interesting actually seeing the early part of your life. But now let's go into AIB. How was the AIB formed?
So AIB started when.
Sorry, we went back to that Blue Frog moment where you suddenly crossed the Rubicon.
Yes,
realized
Rubicon, started
300
doing
people
comedy.
are clapping, you've got something.
Yeah, and the same time I crossed the Rubicon, Tanmay crossed the Rubicon, Khamba crossed the
Okay,
Rubicon.
I'm not going to make any jokes here.
Ashish, that's fine.
But
That's
Julius
fine.
Caesar, he's got his own group of people, and the bigger
Yeah.
guys take longer.
Yeah, they take longer. But we all crossed the Rubicon at roughly
Yeah.
the same time, and we'd all been friends in different ways. Like I'd known Ashish for a while, I'd
Without
known Tanmay
comedy?
for a while. Without comedy, we just
Socially?
been friends socially.
You all slept
through
with the
college.
same men?
Yeah,
Oh,
all same.
whatever.
Yeah, with each other for the most part.
And why not?
Yeah, because you
Worked
know,
for the Bee Gees. Look where they went.
That's what friends do.
Yeah.
Right. So we were together and we were hanging out and we sort of went hang on.
And
Like,
all
right
wanted
now-
to be comedians.
Yeah, all because none of us knew
Who was
that
the
comedy
lead?
could be a
I think
career.
Tanmay used to write and all already, right?
So Tanmay used to write, I used to write, we all used to write.
no,
but none
write
of us
for
knew.
television.
No, so Tanmay used to write for television. I was also writing for television
Okay.
at this point. I was writing with Tanmay.
Okay.
For television. Ashish was writing with you.
Right.
And we figured like we
And
were.
where is
Gulsimran
Khamba
was
from?
in Delhi at this point.
And they don't
but
write there.
He
There's no
just,
writing.
yeah, they don't write there. Which is why he moved
So he
to
was
Bombay
SMSing.
to TISS.
Okay.
To Tata Institute of Social Sciences.
Where he's a watchman
yeah,
for 2 years.
He's our most learned member. Like
There you
basically, Khamba's the one we push out in front of like respectable
What a
people.
strange
say they
name.
master there.
I mean, talk about sexual.
Yeah, I
I've
know,
seen my
right?
Khamba.
But what a pickup line.
Oof, huge.
I mean, right? Your name is your pickup line.
But
That's a life,
if it
right?
disappoints, that's terrible.
That is
Khamba,
true.
my
That's really-
foot.
yeah,
I can
that's
just
my
see
foot.
that.
Simran
Yeah.
is right. So yeah, and we sort of looked at each other and went, hang on, right now we're all doing comedy at a stage where I can get 20 people into a room. You can pull 20 members of an audience into a room, but with the 4 of us together, that's 80 people.
But you all know the same people, so it's 20. Don't you do maths?
No,
You're a Joshi.
I'm a Joshi. I don't do math.
Man.
Why do you think I did BMM?
Don't say
why do you think I did BMM? To avoid maths.
Oh, open the bloody door, man.
Yeah. So there we go.
Yeah.
So we just decided, so they were already doing a podcast, Tanmay and Kamba, which also was kind of popular. So we said, let's do a live show together, all 4 of us. And I still remember on the 17th of July, 2012, we did a show at Wild Wild West in Andheri. In the Fun Republic building, and like 150 people showed up, which for us back then was like, whoa, 150 people would come to watch us. That's insane. And we just realized we enjoyed doing it, and then it's, as they say, and I know you're going to say something about sex with your wife now, but one thing led to another.
I want to kill. This is all about you, honestly, but I just want to say Wild Wild West in Andheri.
Yeah, Wild Wild West in
It's
Andheri.
not Texas or Arizona.
I mean, I
it's
can't. To be
freaking
fair,
Andheri
Andheri
near
is
the
west.
airport.
To be fair, Andheri is west, and if there was part of Bombay that I would label the Wild Wild West, it
Just
would
don't
be
use your
Andheri.
superior education in Chennai to dwarf me, young man.
I will watch me.
Going closer to the west, is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, exactly.
All right. So 150 people cheering, screaming.
150 people
you
cheering,
felt-
screaming, really happy, really enjoying the show, and we
All
said,
4 performed, or just you?
All
and
4 performed.
All 4 performed.
All 4 performed.
So each one writes their own material.
No, we started. That's the thing. We started writing also collaboratively because we realized that it really elevated our work to be able to. I write something and then Tanmay comes and looks and goes, "This is shit," or vice versa, or whatever. It's
I could do that.
Yeah, I know, right?
Just
you're
call
free
anyone.
to join. You're free to join.
Driver Manoj, ऊपर आना दो, wait.
हाँ, ये कैसा लग रहा है?
Shit, yaar.
Okay, done. You're a collective. Congratulations.
So then, it was still an amateur feel to it. You were still holding your jobs.
We were sort of
and
holding
then
our
started,
jobs.
The
And
momentum
then-
started.
Yeah, the momentum started, and once we realized that this could pay our bills, we sort
And
of.
then you insulted a few Bollywood icons and a couple of
and the rest is history.
may I
yeah.
say, deities or whatever, and
Yes.
then you couldn't look back after
and
that,
then,
whether you liked it
couldn't
or
look
not.
back, whether we like it or not.
Yeah.
I mean, we had to look back occasionally just to see who was chasing us.
Fair enough.
But
Just quick word about the flak and all that.
Yes.
There was a time when, of course,
there was, yeah.
a lot of these people come after you. It's so easy to jump on this hate wagon and, and
the
bring people
outrage
down.
wagon is very, very easy.
So what do you do then? Because I remember you all went underground for a little bit and all. What
I
happens?
think the only thing, so that was a huge learning experience for us, more than anything else, because
you realize that this is China.
This is
Finally,
more
you
than
came to
realize
the
this
point.
is China. It was just like it. I think that was our first experience in the fact that if people want to get annoyed or outraged, they can find anything to get annoyed or outraged about.
Yeah.
Like
We're
even if
the
it's
capital
just-
of annoyed and outrage.
Of course.
And for people who are upset about other people. Have you noticed
Yeah,
that?
it's always
I don't
that.
know them. I have nothing to do with
Yeah,
them.
no.
But how dare you
I'm
insult?
offended on behalf of those
On
people.
behalf of them.
On
That
behalf
empathy
of those
level, you
people,
got to, that
right?
sensitivity
Yeah.
is huge.
It's
It's not
huge.
easy.
It's like,
So you
yeah,
gotta
like
show
look, I know
respect.
you're busy. I will fight for you.
That's why I say we have the heart, the soul.
Yeah,
They
of
say
course
that
we
about
do.
the East.
Yeah,
We are the
of
heart
course.
and soul.
We are the heart and the soul.
Beautiful.
And the angry vein on the forehead.
Yes, which
That's
will
what
pop
we are.
one day, hopefully, and we
That's who
all
we are.
die.
And yeah, so we got, but I think there was a huge learning experience for us because we obviously didn't set out to do the show to offend people. That is not the starting point. Because I know what happened.
You don't explain to me, brother. You didn't offend me.
You know what I'm
So
saying.
it doesn't
right?
matter.
So that a lot of people, because a lot of people
It's
sort
sad
of,
that you have to say that, though. But so much for freedom of
and
expression.
I'll tell you why. Because a lot of people will, who turned around after the show and said stuff like, you deliberately provoked just to sort of get this sort of notoriety to make yourself famous. I'm like, that is not a sustainable career strategy.
But what is the point of that anyway?
Yeah.
It's a pointless conversation.
It's completely pointless.
Yeah.
And so, but we learned to keep our heads down sometimes. We also learned for the first time how to weather
But
a
in the room,
controversy.
see, I wasn't there, but what we could make out on the internet,
Right.
the room seemed to have a positive vibe.
The
Everybody was
room had a
enjoying it.
phenomenal
So
time. There wasn't
where
a
were
single
there were no
person-
critics, or maybe as an afterthought, they get worried, important names here and whatever. No, so they backtracked. But by and large, while doing it, there was very positive feedback. Am I right?
In fact, while doing it, I would still definitively say with everything that happened, with all of the flack, with all of the everything, I hold my word that it is one of the best nights of my life. Just in terms of, I think there was a point about halfway through the show where we were all just looking at each other and just sort of had that moment of, this is happening. Like just the fact that this is happening and people are responding to this and having such a great time felt huge for us. Like it's just like, I remember I didn't sleep at all that night. I was so
And then the
wired.
next morning, you woke up and joined the BJP.
Next morning I woke up and straight away like this. And the thing is, no, we had 1 month grace period, right? Because the night was on the December 20th and the video went up online at the end of January. So we had
So
1
trouble
month
started
to
later.
strut around feeling amazing. And the trouble started after the video went online and people started
Then you all
outraging
blamed
on behalf of
Ashish, and
everybody
rightly
else.
so, and hopefully
Yeah,
they
of
could
course.
put him
And
in.
that, yeah, and now they've
That guy's
executed him and now
disgusting.
nobody knows
Okay,
where he is.
quick question,
Yeah.
Ron.
Yes.
Everybody knows the AIB story after that, and I hope the income tax guys go after you because you make a lot of money in cash. But
The levels of disappointment they will feel when they raid us.
oh God, no! Oh God, they need an extra day in the year. But so, who's the worst comedian out of the four?
Me.
Okay, who's the worst writer?
Me.
Pussy.
I know.
I gave him a chance.
There you go,
Tell
yeah,
the truth.
exactly,
And
yeah.
he backed the
No, yeah,
and
but
never
it's
say that
still-
word on our show.
Yeah, never. I will never say said. I will never.
Okay, Rohan, we've run out of time, thank God. But before we actually close,
Yes.
we have a thing called the AMA.
Okay, sure.
Where
yeah.
somebody comes in called May and irritates us and just freewheel questions.
I know. May is a good irritant. Bring her on.
She'll sit on your lap
That's
if you
cool.
say hello. So
That's
do not
fine.
say hello.
I will say Daiva Seja Kadavu Mudagam.
And then she'll keep the door open because she's Malayalam speaking. So
That's true. So it's
it doesn't
confusion.
work.
That's
It's
true.
two
It
different
doesn't work.
languages.
That's true.
You
That's
must
true.
learn about
it
the
was
South.
racially insensitive of me to assume that
There
Malayalam
you
and Tamil are
go.
the same.
There
That
you
is
go.
correct.
What happened to that empathy you feel about somebody else being insulted? What happened to that? AMA.
I'm AMA. Let's do it.
If you have any questions for Cyrus, write to us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Or you can send an email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com. Hey. Hi, Rohan.
Hi, May.
Hi.
How
Long
are
time no
you?
see. Last time
I
we
know,
were
right?
talking.
I feel like every time we meet, there's a mic between us.
Between us, yeah.
Yeah,
The
I
last
feel
time
like
I had
I'm-
a very strange
I don't
conversation
have
with...
anything to do anymore. I just feel so sad.
Why? Rohan and
You
I
don't
were
say
talking
hi to
about...
me, you just
You know,
flirt with
last
him
time
'cause
we
he's
spoke,
younger.
It was about cats and
It's- that's
chastity
what it
belts.
is.
Like, that
That's
was like
true.
the,
Yeah,
the
that was
conversation
cats
we
You
and
had.
discuss
chastity
cats
belt.
and chastity belts
Yeah.
too?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
You're breaking my heart.
I know.
Of course.
just-
And you know what? She said I was better than you.
Twice. Twice.
Okay, so a letter to you. Hi, Cyrus. I've been following your show for a while, and I must say it's really a welcome change that we have an Indian version of Howard Stern. I like the podcast you did with Horma Sorabji. Can you do a
They must have
podcast?
thought he was Howard Stern. That makes sense. That guy is rude. And if you say anything about a car,
my.
you must you
Of course,
probably
I
have a
know
better
Hormuz.
relationship with him.
Yeah, I know Hormuz.
About 1 year doing that show at least?
Yeah.
Your car show?
Yeah.
Yeah, Hormuz likes to talk his mind.
That's also true. So they're basically asking if Mahesh Tinekar and Uday Benegal from Indus Creed can be on your show.
But why can't they? We're desperate.
Rock icons.
I feel like
We
that's a
take their
question
pa-
for them.
No, and
By the
Ron,
way-
we take their parents. I have no
Yeah,
problem. I have
it's
no
cool.
standards
Yeah.
So
here.
yeah, this Viraj from Boston had said this. Let's get some rock icons on your
That's
show.
true. We haven't got some rock people. Ron, you free?
Excuse me.
You're free?
Right here,
Such
rock
a
icon
rock
in the
star.
house, guys.
Oh my God,
I am
Rohan.
the ultimate. I know all the words to all the biggest rock songs. Like,
Really?
I know the words. Yeah.
Chumma
all
Chumma?
the biggest rock song. Like, yeah, Chumma Chumma.
Huh? Choli ke Piche?
Choli ke Piche.
Second verse?
The Call by Backstreet
Rang De Basanti,
Boys.
my personal
Rang De
favorite.
Basanti,
Not
yeah.
lifted from Jesus of Montreal. Come on,
And-
tell me more.
And of course, the rockiest, most matchal song on earth, A Different Beat by Boyzone.
Okay, but can I
know
ask you?
all these tracks?
Can I tell you something? Have
Yeah.
you seen the movie Aryan?
No, I feel like I've missed something.
You've lost it.
I have. haven't
You've
I?
lost the battle
I've
to me.
lost it,
You're
right.
runner-up today
Isn't
because of
Aryan the
this.
one
You
about
are
like the
runner.
fighter
Sohail
or
Khan
something? Sohail Khan
in
is a fighter.
Southall fighting white people for no reason.
I feel like he
But it's
already made
fantastic.
another movie by that name called I Proud to Be Indian, which was I think the same premise.
It's the same movie which then became into
Which-
two parts.
Acha, okay.
But I think the second part released first was a little
As
confusing.
Aryan, so just slightly weird.
Yeah. Sorry, where were you?
You had,
don't
yeah,
know.
May was saying
I've
something.
She doesn't
literally,
watch
like-
good cinema.
Yeah, that's the problem.
I
You're not a
don't.
cinephile.
Yeah.
I'm not.
cineast.
Clearly not
Yes.
enough.
Yeah, an aesthete.
You don't watch Do you watch Japanese theatre or not?
Yeah.
Which is what we were discussing in I Proud to Be Indian.
Exactly. That's the finest
I know.
Studio
Which
Ghibli
is-
production.
Which is Bandra for I'm Proud to be
I'm-
Indian.
yeah.
Learn the language. Go
I
on.
really have to.
She's
If you
talking
could
to herself.
make... I always talk to myself. That's what my mother tells
Rohan,
me.
off.
I'm
Okay.
just gonna
she's,
go.
she's just going on talking to us. The woman is mad.
Okay.
I'm gonna go roll
Okay.
one and come back.
Is this cats we're talking about?
Yes,
or
yes,
chastity bells?
absolutely.
Tell the uncle everything. Huh?
Next question. If you could make one big change in the city of Bombay, what would it be?
Let him, come
If I
on.
could make one big change city
One
of
big-
Bombay,
one
would
big
be
change here.
one big change city of Bombay would be I would definitely A, rezone all our bars, and B, then let them be open 24 hours.
I would opt for wearing the male
Can I
bra.
say that?
Of
Yeah.
course you can.
There
I'm
go.
so excited about that.
Yeah, that's exactly what I would do. I would rezone every single one of our bars, and then I would let them stay open 24 hours. That's what I would do.
Yay.
I have an entire longer explanation for this as well, but I will spare you that.
Why? Explain.
Yeah. Okay,
We got
really
time.
simply, I feel like a lot of our friction comes from the fact that our bars are in residential areas. I feel like if you take that problem away, you take a lot of the problems away.
Mm-hmm.
You have BKC just sitting there, easily accessible to every part of the city, whether you're coming from the north, south, west, huge block with very few residents, largely corporate these things. Put all your bars there. That way, if you move or incentivize it for bars, incentivize them to move away because they're not going to want to move away
Ron,
from
where's
like
the joke?
Huh? There is no joke.
You
This
and-
is, I'm fixing
you
this
cats
city.
and chastity
I'm
belt people,
fixing this
you
city.
disgust me.
All right, I am fixing this city. Like
You're
right
too
here
young
in
to
one
drink.
feet. Because think about it. If you move all, obviously not every single bar, but if you find zones, like say Causeway and BKC, if you turn those into bar zones, if you make one block of BKC bar friendly, you get to control entries, exits, taxi stands, drunk driving.
What about the big issue?
nakabandis,
The big issue
everything,
of
control
economics
points.
here, when you cross the Worli Sea Link,
Yes.
you have to pay that extra money
Yes,
twice.
twice.
What about that?
You buy a monthly pass.
Yeah.
But how much can we drink with the budgets we have?
You know what, Cyrus? I think a lot.
That's all in the past, Rohan.
That's all in the past.
Yes, ever since I sang Italian opera at the terrace of my building and 8 policemen said, please don't do anything but lazim.
Right.
I've given up all this.
Right.
I've changed completely.
But do you feel like that was like a you being drunk thing or like an inherent
No, this
culture
was normal.
wars thing?
When I drink, I
Like,
urinate a lot.
Okay, that's a sign that your body is working.
Yeah.
My kidneys work a lot. They're the hardest working people I know.
That's good to know.
I got to tell them to slow down.
No, I'm pretty sure that's
They don't
your
take
liver.
Sunday off the
I'm pretty sure that's your liver.
Who's he, a doctor? He's got 2 lawyers for parents and he advises me about every thing.
I knew your
He's
mom
a
was. I
kid.
didn't know your dad was.
The man is dressed like a mechanic with law
and
written on his
as
shirt.
a Parsi, it's offending you that somebody else is advising you on matters as opposed to you giving cranky advice
How
on
dare
matters.
you know
right?
about cars?
I know.
You can be a
exactly.
comedian, but don't touch cars.
Damn right.
Yes, it's all sex talk, bro. You won't
I
understand.
know. It's kind of hot.
It's all from Malba Hill. We have a different species.
You do. I should just go home.
You know, like if you have less than 2 drivers, nobody talks to you. It's very
Yeah,
scary.
including your drivers.
Yeah. The driver has a driver. If he doesn't, he's nobody. Really.
Wow.
Yeah.
God, it's like another world.
Yep.
I don't know what.
You know, we have cars for mothers and people like that who don't leave the house ever.
Yeah.
But the car's parked down with the driver.
True story. I had a family in my building of 4 people that had 9 cars.
9 cars.
What?
So that means
basically,
1 leg in
literally-
each car.
Yeah, Ajay Devgan style.
Exactly.
Literally.
But at
They
least
go
he
everywhere like Ajay Devgan.
He at least
1
spread
leg
his
on each
legs.
car.
Some of the women he's talking about never did.
Yeah.
Never. Ask me. I used to take the lift up every time. And they would say the Tamil words of...
Daiva Kadavu
There you
Mudagam.
go. What does that
What?
mean?
Yeah.
You don't speak Tamil?
Of course I don't know. It's a million.
Yeah. Daiva Kadavu
pretty
Mudagam is
racism.
the only sentence of Tamil I know. It's please close the door. My lift in Chennai used to say it every day.
Now, it could
So
be
I know
door.
that please close the door means Daiva
It could be
Kadavu
door.
Mudagam.
It could be whore.
Yeah.
Because he didn't pick it up properly.
Yeah. Though I feel like if my lift was saying please close the door, I have like
You'd have more visitors.
That is the first piece of AI
Did you
on
get-
earth.
did you-
what a twisted
did you
piece
get-
of AI.
Did you get
No.
laid?
In Chennai, I did. Of course, I got laid.
Really?
I was in college in Chennai.
What
of
are you
course, I got
saying,
laid.
Rohan? You rascal?
Yeah, damn.
There was a
right.
Rohini for every Rohan. Huh?
There was a
It's all good. Okay, I think we're done. We've lowered the standard. We've done our bit. And Rohan Joshi has got work to do, so we'll let him go.
Okay.
Okay, mate, come on. Let's
What do you
our
wanna do?
thing. Ooh. That was almost a yes.
Daiva Kadavu
Yes.
Mudagam.
Yeah. but AC on, please. Okay, catch us on iTunes, SoundCloud, Stitcher, Beyond Pod, any of the podcasting apps. Please, we beg you, we need you. If you have any questions, write to us online and you can mail us as well. We will answer. We have a doctor in the house called May.
And that's what Cyrus says.
Time to talk travel stories and to talk you through travel stories without making a mistake, the one and only Ambika and Hoshna. Yes, their relationship is not approved by me, but their stories are. Check out new episodes on our IVM podcast apps. Also, you can find them on SoundCloud, iTunes, Stitcher, etc. Not etc., but etc. Happy listening, mother and fathers.
एक्सक्यूज मी भैया एक्सक्यूज मी
बोलिए मैडम।
मेन्यू में क्या है?
मेन्यू में सीन अनसीन है, पॉडकास्ट है, ऑन कोर्स है, साइरस है, मेड इन इंडिया, रीडिस्कवरी प्रोजेक्ट, एम्पावरिंग सीरीज, सेक्स वैक्स है, IVM लाइक्स है, सिंप्लीफाइड है, कीपिंग इट क्वियर है, ड्रिंक्स एंड डेस्टिनेशंस है, माय नेबर जकरबर्ग है और द फैन गराज है। आपको क्या चाहिए?
एक बार रिपीट कर देंगे क्या?
रिपीट नहीं करता हम। आप जाओ IVMpodcast.com पे और सुनो ये सब, या फिर डाउनलोड करो उनका ऐप, सब आपकी उंगलियों पे।